Pinpoint, bringing you the very best of the internet.
Welcome to Pinpoint. In lieu of a proper Friday episode this week, let's talk about an interesting program that I've recently come across. This program is called Thonny, and it's actually an IDE for writing Python code. So of course you might be wondering why? Why do we need another IDE for running Python code? Well, as it turns out, Thonny is one of the most complete, yet lightweight IDEs that I've seen. Of course, you could install something like PyCharm. It does everything out of the box, and everything tends to be a little bit too many. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of using, full-blown IDEs like PyCharm for, simple projects, small projects that are in a single file. And if you were to use another lightweight text editor like Sublime Text or Notepad++, you'll find that there aren't that many options for, running your code within the program itself. Now, both Sublime and Notepad++ have options to do this, but they are a little bit fiddly to set up and may not be complete, as is the case with Sublime Text. So Thonny gives the perfect balance, in my opinion. You can run programs within the IDE itself, right? It does exactly what you would expect, and yet it doesn't come bloated with a whole bunch of unnecessary features. Here are some of the reasons why it's great. Firstly, it comes bundled with Python itself, which means you don't have to make a separate installation. You also don't have to worry about things like versioning. Secondly, it's designed with education in mind, and what that means is, if you actually make any mistakes, a window actually pops out at the side that gives you extra help, which is nice. Features like stepping through your program and viewing the variables as they change are also available, which is super important. Normally, we don't get such features unless we're using a full-blown IDE. But in those cases, again, it comes bloated with the other things that we may not want. Best of all, Thonny is free and is developed by a university. So I'll put more information as text on screen. But yeah, it's a university project, meaning it's less likely to be associated with funding and money and all that stuff. It's designed to be useful, designed to be not a big commercial thing. And I think it's a really good step in the right direction for a Python coder. It's not feature-packed, but it's not meant to be feature-packed. It's meant to give you just enough to learn and to be complete in that context without being overloaded. So yeah, go check it out. I have a link in the video description. Again, the name of this program is Thonny. Give it a try. Whether you're new to Python or whether you're an experienced coder, you'll probably find it a pretty valuable tool for doing small projects. That's all there is for this particular episode. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you're watching 0612 TV with NERDfirst.net.
Thank you very much for watching. If you like my work and are feeling generous, you can shoot me a one-time donation on PayPal or sign up for a recurring one on Patreon. Of course, you can simply like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. For more videos, links to my channel and a related playlist are on screen. Thank you for your support.